Hi everyone, in this video we will talk about indeterminate forms for limits in continuity chapter. So if you haven't checked out our previous video where we clearly defined what is not defined, infinity, 0 and approaching 0, please do check out that video because this will be building of that video. The idea behind this video is to tell you what are the forms which we cannot evaluate in limits in continuity directly and for which we need special formulas. I think this is very important because whenever you will be solving problems, you will actually be just coming across indeterminate forms. I don't think there will be any question which will come in J where you will directly be able to evaluate any limit. You will actually be always getting into indeterminate forms because they basically form the essence of limits in continuity chapter. So let me tell you what we had quickly discussed last time in the last video. Please check out the video if you haven't. That approaching 0 by approaching 0 is a form which we really cannot evaluate. We cannot really know what the value would be, and if you don't know what the value will be, these are the values which are called indeterminate forms. So there are 6 types of indeterminate forms that I want to cover today. One is the approaching 0 by approaching 0 form. So whenever you whenever you're trying to form limit, if you substitute the value and you get some numerator is approaching to 0 and denominator is approaching to 0, then that means that you cannot evaluate the limit unless you are able to simplify the problem or you are able to change the function. So we will go into details, but basically this is one of the forms which you cannot evaluate. Similarly, you cannot evaluate approaching infinity by approaching infinity. This is exactly the same as approaching 0 by approaching 0, just that you have taken reciprocal, because 1 by approaching 0 is infinity and 1 by approaching 0 is infinity. So it's infinity by infinity is nothing but approaching 0 by approaching 0. So, but I mean, just so that you can understand that whenever you see infinity by infinity, that is something you cannot evaluate directly. Moving on, you cannot evaluate approaching infinity minus approaching infinity, and we will see examples of this problem also, and this is an important type. There are some tricks how we will solve such kind of problems, and we will go about these problems. Fourth, you cannot solve approaching infinity multiplied by approaching 0, and again I hope this is obvious because approaching infinity multiplied by approaching 0 is approaching 0 by approaching 0 type only, because 1 by approaching infinity is approaching 0. So it's basically these three are practically the same thing. Then the fifth form which I want to discuss is approaching 1 times approaching infinity, and this is important because if you try to understand why is this something which you cannot evaluate, because if this is less than 1, then this value would actually go to 0. If this approaches 1 negative, then this will go to 0. If this becomes approaching 1 positive, this will go to infinity, and if it is 1, then it will go to 1. So to evaluate the limit, you need certain formulas, and we will be talking about that in more details later. And the last form, which is approaching 0 times approaching infinity. And again, if you have something really just positive or 0, you will see through examples that this is indeterminate form. So the idea behind is just so to make you familiarize that whenever you see quantities like this, when you directly substitute the value and you find quantities like this, you have to do something special to find the limit. And this was just a brief introduction about indeterminate forms, and I hope that you will check out the next video in which we will be going and solving these indeterminate forms using formulas. Thank you.